Alright, I'm going to show you how to do a triple crochet. I've also seen this called a treble crochet. Here is what a little block of it looks like. You can see the stitch is really tall and skinny. There's a big spaces between them if you just do them in a row. I don't really love this as a pattern. I don't know that I'd make a whole scarf or anything like this, but you may have a pattern that uses triple crochet. So here is how you do it. So if you know how to double crochet, it's very, very similar. You yarn over once and then yarn over twice. So you've got 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. And then put your hook through your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is your triple crochet stitch. One, 2, 3. And something else to know about triple crochet is that when you're turning, if you're doing it in rows, if you're turning, you want to do 4 chains. So that's what this is right here, is 4 chains. And when I'm coming back over top, I am going to do my last triple crochet into that chain, chain 4, and then I'm going to chain 4, and I'm going to flip my work over, and then I'm not going to go into this, I'm going to go into this one. This chain 4 is going to count as my first triple crochet of this row, and then I can keep going the other direction. So that is how to do a triple crochet. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more patterns and tutorials for crocheting, then hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.